Hi children, and welcome to another session of Accountancy for Standard 11 with me Vishwanath sir. As usual, we shall continue the journey of journal entries ahead, strengthen journal entries in such a way we shall never have any problem in the future. Okay, I hope you've finished your last time's assignment and sorted out whatever difficulties are there. I go a slight bit forward, taking some sales and purchases into account. Today, if possible, of course, I'll do the purchases first and then with the sales. Let's know what is the entry for this. Purchased goods, rupees 20,000. Okay, purchased goods, rupees 20,000. The two accounts which is involved, one is purchase and the other is cash. Purchase is a nominal account, it is an expense, so it is debit. Cash account is a real account, goes out, credit. Okay, whenever you purchase goods, it's an expense, money is going to go out. Okay, so the journal entry for this will be purchase account debit $20,000 to cash account 20,000. Okay, so this was purchase goods for you, rupees 20,000. Now let's take almost on a similar basis. Purchase goods, rupees 10,000 and paid the amount by check. Purchase goods 10,000 and paid the amount by check. What are the two accounts which is involved? Purchase and bank. It is a check, so it is bank. Purchase is a nominal account, it is an expense, so you debit it. Bank is a real account, goes out, since you are giving it, it's credit. Okay, similar application for cash. Now the journal entry in this case would be purchase account debit 10,000 to bank account 10,000, and of course follow it up with the narration. ओके, सो जैसे आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर जो एंट्री है परचेज गुड्स, जो गुड्स हमने खरीदा है 10,000 और इसका जो पेमेंट है हम लोग ने चेक के तौर से दिया है। यहाँ पर जो चेक जब भी हम वर्ड इस्तेमाल करते हैं वहां पर बैंक अकाउंट यूज करते हैं। ओके, परचेज जो है नॉमिनल अकाउंट है, एक्सपेंस है, डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस। बैंक रियल अकाउंट है, गोज आउट क्रेडिट। ओके, फाइन। सो द जर्नल एंट्री इज परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, purchase account debit to bank 10,000, follow it up with the narration. Okay, fine. purchase goods rupees 60,000 and paid amount by check rupees 25,000 and balance by cash. Okay, so we have purchased goods worth 60,000, and that 60,000 bifurcation is like this. What we are making a payment, 25,000 is by check, so that will go to bank account, and the remaining balance, that is 60,000 minus 25,000, 35,000 will go to your cash account. Okay, fine. So the accounts which is involved: purchase, cash and bank. Purchase is a nominal account, it is an expense, so debit. Okay, cash, real account, goes out, credit. Bank or check, real account, goes out, credit. Okay, so the journal entry for this is purchase account debit to cash to bank. Okay, purchase account is 60,000, the cash amount is 35,000 and 25,000 is by check. Follow it up with the narration. ओके, जैसे आप ये सब देख रहे हो, यहाँ पर हम लोग ने 60,000 के जो गुड्स खरीदे हैं, उसका जो पेमेंट है 25,000 हम चेक के तौर से कर चुके हैं, और जो बैलेंस है 35,000 वो हम कैश के तौर से दे रहे हैं. तो यहाँ जो अकाउंट्स जो इन्वॉल्व है, परचेज, कैश, बैंक. परचेज नॉमिनल अकाउंट है, एक्सपेंस है और डेबिट है. डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस. कैश रियल अकाउंट है, कम्स इन या गोज आउट, इट गोज आउट क्योंकि आप दे रहे हो क्रेडिट. चेक आप दे रहे हो, रियल अकाउंट गोज आउट क्रेडिट. तो आपका जो जर्नल एंट्री है, परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट 60,000, टू कैश 35,000 एंड टू बैंक 25,000. ओके, are we clear with this? I move further. We can also take this up on a percentage basis. I'll give you an example here. Okay. Purchase goods rupees 80,000. Purchase goods rupees 80,000 and paid 60% by cash and a balance by check. Okay, so first let's just see this 80,000 which is there. It's divided into 60% cash. 60% cash gives us 48,000 and 40% by check. Okay, of course out of 100 you minus 60, so this is 32,000. Okay, so this is 32,000. So cash is 48 and the check means this will go to bank account. Okay, so quickly let's see what are the accounts which is involved. One is purchase account, the next is bank account, cash account, purchase nominal account, expense, debit, bank real account goes out, credit, cash real account goes out, credit. Fine. So how do we put this in the journal entry? Very simple. It's purchase account debit, which is 80,000, to bank, which is 32,000, and to cash, which is 48,000. Okay, fine. So these are your purchase entries. These are your purchase entries which are there, and the balance payments by cash and by check. Okay, let's take up a few more entries in purchase. Purchase goods rupees 10,000 from Rita. Purchase goods 10,000 from Rita. Okay. Now this becomes a credit entry because the word on cash basis is not there and the word Rita is there. So the two accounts which is involved is purchase and Rita. Purchase is a nominal account, it is an expense, so you debit the expense. Rita is a personal account, she is the giver of the goods, okay, and we have to pay her, so it is credit. People like Rita who give us goods on credit are known as creditors. Okay, we owe them money, so we have to pay them at a later stage, whatever is the agreement between us and Rita. Okay, so the purchase amount which is there shall be put as 10,000 and even Rita as 10,000. So the journal entry is purchase account debit to Rita's account 10,000. Okay, so this is purchase goods from Rita, rupees 10,000. Next, trade discount. So it is 20,000 minus 10% trade discount, which is 2,000. So the value is 18,000. Fine. So the two accounts which is involved is purchase and cash. Purchase and cash. Purchase is a nominal account, it is an expense, so it is debit. Cash is a real account, goes out, credit. So the journal entry for this is purchase account debit 18,000 to cash account 18,000 and follow it up with the narration. Okay, fine. So this is the entry for purchases when there is a trade discount. purchases at 10% cash discount. The account which is involved is purchase, cash and discount. Since it's a cash discount, the entry has to be made. Purchase is a nominal account. It is an expense, so it is debit. Cash is a real account, goes out, it is credit. Purchase is a nominal account. It is a income for us or a gain, since we have to pay less, so it is credit. Okay, so the journal entry in this case will be purchase account debit 20,000. So here we will take the value as 20,000, to cash 18,000 and to discount received 2,000. Follow it up with the narration. Okay, I advise you to go through these entries again and again, strengthen your system, and I shall just give you a few sum for your practice. Purchase goods rupees 30,000. Purchase goods rupees 20,000 from Neeta. Purchase goods rupees 10,000 and paid by check. Purchase goods rupees 80,000 and paid 70% by cash and balance by check. Fifth, purchase goods rupees 40,000 at 10% trade discount. Purchase goods rupees 60,000 at 10% cash discount. Okay, so this is your lockdown assignment. Okay, thank you so much. Please do your assignment. This is Vishwanath sir signing off.